to run the process.
Myntri Rangbah ke Jelau Konrad ke Sangma berjumpa ke call attention belawan radu MLA ke Jirang uba Esoten habede berkakai pot jong ke Jingjaboh ke Lyer Byrnihat meg Lyer ulang ba ke sorkar ke simkia banyatai Halor ke nikamat badru ban simikilat ke lenti bedon kam ke Byrnihat industrial area ha Assam ke bedon hajan Byrnihat meg Lyer ke don ye shibun teliki karkhana ki bapinmi ekal Lyer Jabo ke Central Pollution Control Board kala Thoh ke Byrnihat kum ke Jaka ke Jingjaboh. Hadien ke jing pthak na ke National Green Tribunal bat ke CPCB ke Assam Pollution Control Board kala shim kilat ban pinbhai ke Mariang ha Byrnihat. Usang maula ong ba ula Thoh sya Myntri Rangbah ke Assam ha ka ba ula kerpat ya baro atli State Pollution Control Board ban Iatreilang ban la ban pinbet ya ke jing air.
There is certain level of pollution or activities from both sides. I think that is number one. So to say that it is only happening on Meghalaya's side or only happening on Assam's side would not be fair, and it would be difficult to really pinpoint that. So at the end of the day, the two state governments have to work together, especially the pollution boards. And I'm happy to inform you that I have written a letter to the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam requesting him for the same, that because of the air pollution quality and the AQI in Byrnihat, which happens to be a border area, the two states and the two pollution boards must work in proper coordination and collaboration.